This is a guided sitting meditation that meant to provide you with a space and platform to simply rest in awareness and observe the mind from a distance. Give yourself the permission to drop in on yourself, to switch from the usual mode of doing to a mode of non-doing, a mode of simply being. Think of this time as a gift to yourself, time carved out just for you, where you can bring awareness and attention to your whole self. It's a time for nourishment. When you're ready, bringing attention to settle on the breath, noticing the breath as it flows into and out of your body. You are welcome to close your eyes, but it's not essential. Feeling your belly as it expands gently on the in-breath and proceeds gently on the out-breath. Not manipulating or regulating the breath in any way. Simply notice the breath, notice the rhythm, the movement, like you're riding the waves of your own breath. Being present for each moment, for each breath. For this one, and this one. Not trying to do anything or get to any place. Simply being with your own breath. You might find from time to time your mind will wander off into thoughts. Maybe these are daydreams, anticipation of the future, worries, distant memories, whatever the thoughts may be, knowing that this wandering of attention, it's not a problem. This is what the mind does, what everybody's mind does. When you notice that your attention is no longer on your breathing, simply bring your attention back to the breath. Keep riding the waves of the breath. Staying fully in touch, just this breath coming in, just this breath going out. Using the breath as an anchor to keep your attention right here in the present moment. Now, expanding attention to include sound, relaxing into open awareness, not striving to hear anything in particular, just opening your field of awareness to your surrounding. Try to notice the pitch and timbre of sounds all around you. Try to resist the urge to identify the source of sounds or judge them in any way. Simply noticing the qualities the sound has, its proximity, distance, richness or depth. Noticing if a particular sound has grabbed your attention and gently reopening your field of awareness to continue to include sounds as they happen in real time. In this moment and this moment, being open and receptive to any sounds that may arise. Nothing to do here but rest and relax alertness. When you're ready, turning that relaxed attention to the thoughts passing through your mind, making space for any thought that arises. Just letting thoughts travel into and out of awareness like an impartial witness to your own mind. Noticing thoughts from a distance, noticing the space between thoughts. In the last few moments of the sitting, recommitting yourself to being fully awake and focused fully in your body, sitting with stability and balance, aware, open, awake. As the meditation comes to an end, I invite you to come back to the room, come back to your body. You can move your head from side to side. When you're ready, open your eyes.